Yo, it's Witho111. I'm just going to make a benchmarking video today. So, here we go. Crysis, everything full, 1440 by 900. Dashed through the trees and the brush. Just popped them all. For your benchmark score, so we never went below 40 frames per second. Minimum was 58, the average was 125 and the maximum was 332. Not a good score considering everything was maxed out, 1440 by 900 and everything was on max. You have a bit of Call of Duty 4 for you? When I conquer 3 tiberium walls, everything on full. Everything right up to the top. Resolution right up to the top too, so let's give this a try. Done. These are our system of laws. Skirmish, new skirmish. Anyway, I'll do for now. Right. So while it runs. Frames per second.
Building.
Yeah, it just sits at 30, I imagine. Because just like game, it's not very fast though.
Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. New construction options. Building.
Yeah, sits at 30 nicely, no problem. Got the smoke coming out of the tower. You can see, really nice looking game. Shadows are good. Tiberium looks good.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Training.
Yeah, nice.